Welcome guys, so we are here. We're doing one of our first mods to the 2016 RAV4, which is the new daily driver. One thing that I've always loved about cars with like window frames is the window visors. So I've always been a big fan of visors. Only because like when you're driving in the rain, you can actually crack your window and still get that fresh air of rain. I don't smoke or anything, but I love the look and I love the functionality of being able to do that. And one brand that I've had good experience with is called Well Visors. So I got them from here. Well Visors. They make really good quality visors. I've got them for 2000 Corolla and they fit perfectly. I've had them, they're on the Legacy right now as well. And now they didn't make them for the Forester because the Forester didn't have, it was a frameless, it was just a window, so there's no frame on it to attach. Now I got this is one of the first things I did. So I bought this, so we're gonna go ahead and take it out of the box and see what's in here and what it's like. Usually they're held on by clips and like little pins that hold them together, along with double-sided tape. So let's take a look what we got. Alright, so here we are. Looks like we got the visor. So these are the little pins right here. Little pins and clips that go along the window. So you'll see how they use them. They actually have good tutorials on Well Visor's website. So yeah, so we'll start with that. So those are the clips there. Little fuzzy wuzzies. You got your alcohol wipes to wipe down the trim before you apply it. And here you go. Here's look at one of the visors. You can see like I said, the quality is always it's just really good from Well Visors. It's just super durable, and you know you're gonna get a good product from them, and you know they have good support too. I haven't had any issues with them, so no issues at all. There's one there. As you can see, I got the one with the, you can get black or chrome on the top here. I got the one with the black. I kind of want chrome, but I think black would be a nice look. Give it a stealthier profile with the car. The car is white. And you can see you got your little Well Visor logo there. But yeah, so that's it for there. And that's it, and you can see the little holes right there is where the clips will go. Yeah, so as I said before about these clips here, when they go in, they clip in like this. So they go up in the window wedge, and then once you get them up there, just leave them there because you can actually slide them around to match the holes once you installed with the double-sided tape. Once you slide it and line up the holes, that's when we'll put the little pin through the locking nut on the other end, and then we'll push the pin in to lock it in. And make sure you squeeze it till you hear a click, because it will click to lock in. Alright, so I'm going to show you how this little clip works. So it's actually a 3-piece system. So basically, over the top of the visor, this goes through the top hole. As you can see, it's got this has a little hole insert, right? And this right here, this goes on the bottom. So this insert the hole first, connect it on this side. So once those two are together, you take this last piece. Sorry, it's so small, my hand is so sausagey. This last piece actually goes in here, like that. See that? And then you push that in, and it actually snaps in place and locks it in. Gives a nice tight lock. So that's how that works. bit closely. You see the little pins? They're locked in there. Little pins right there. That one didn't go all the way quite, so I'm going to try to see if I can push it more, but it's not going anywhere. And here's the third pin. So 3 pins in the front window and then 2 pins in the back. And this part here is just peeling off.